Hi friends, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set the limits and units in AutoCAD. First, we have to make any drawing. We must have to set the units and limits. Sometimes you saw that when you draw anything in the AutoCAD drawing area, it will look very small because of we have not set its limits. And another thing is its units. It's also very important to set that, because when you don't set the units, you don't know which units are you working. But in the normal, it's always default in mm. So now I will show you how to set the limits and units in AutoCAD. Let us start. This is our drawing area. Just I will hide the grid. To hide the grid, we will use this one or F7. So this is hide. First, we will set the limits. For the limits, we will go here. We will type the command limits. After that, it will ask specify lower left corner. So always set it 0, 0 and the upper right corner. The lower left corner and upper right corner. I want 100 by 100, comma 100. Enter. After apply the limits, you just use the zoom all command. Zoom command and select all option. You can directly select from here and enter. So your limits is already applied. After that, units. For the units, just type units. Only UN, units will appear. Then you will see here the length, type and precision. You want in the millimeter or inch or feet, you can select from here. I want inch or feet. Decimal, I will go to architectural. Precision, I want 0. After that, here I will select the inch. Then all just I will leave it okay and okay. After that, we will set the dimension style. Set current. This one ISO. After that, you will go here. New. Keep the name. What's your name? I want just inch. Continue. Then this window will pop up. Go for the line. Which color you want? I want red. You see here it's a change already. Line type, what you like. Just extension line, I want green. After that, you come here, symbol and arrow. I want architectural. Next we have, you can select here arrow size or center marks. Then you come text color. You can also, I want another color, so you can select here text color, which color you want. After that, go here, fit. Here no need to check anything. I will just increase the scale so it will not look very small. Here architectural and precision like this. Now it's all okay. Okay. Set current and collage. So this is already set. For this one, we can just try this one. I will just create a line. Then it will ask specify first point here. For this, you will ortho off. So our line will be straight. See, when you ortho on off, your line will see. Ortho on, your line like this. Ortho off, your line like this. I want the line 12 inch. Just 12. Enter. You would double click the roller, the mouse. Then it will be, see, like this. You can measure this one. this one 1 feet and 12 inch. If you have big line with 100 feet, 100, and just you see in your keyboard there is a sign for the feet or inches. Just shift in this one for the inch and just this one for the feet. Enter. So your line this with the 100 feet. When you go again dimension, right click, so it will show you 100 feet. So it was only about the limits and units. In the next video we will learn from the starting. We will start from line command. After we go polyline, circle, just like step by step. So if you have to learn all or you want to learn, just watch my video and please be continue and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching. See you again.